In English, collocations are word combinations that naturally go together. They help your speech sound smooth, fluent, and native-like, even if your grammar is perfect. Using unnatural word pairings can make your English sound awkward or robotic. Hi guys, this is Lyna English Studio. Welcome back. Today we're talking about collocations, how they work, why they matter, and how you can use them to upgrade your vocabulary and fluency. Let's get started. First, we have some collocations made up of verb and noun. Make a decision, take a break, catch a cold, pay attention, save time, give advice, have a look, break the rules, miss the bus, lose weight. Secondly, we have some collocations made up of adjectives and noun. Strong coffee, heavy rain, deep sleep, high temperature, fast food, rich culture, serious problem, major issue, full responsibility, close relationship. Thirdly, we have some collocations made up of noun and noun. Traffic jam, job interview, language barrier, data analysis, weather forecast, income level, health benefits, energy consumption, crime rate, student loan. Lastly, we have some collocations made up of adverb and adjective. Highly recommended, deeply disappointed, completely different, fully aware, strongly opposed, seriously injured, widely accepted, perfectly clear, totally wrong, extremely useful. Want to sound more advanced? Try replacing basic phrases with more expressive ones. Instead of very tired, say absolutely exhausted. Instead of very happy, say over the moon. That's all for today. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your favorite collocation in the comments, and let me know what topic you'd like to explore next. Thanks for watching Lyna English Studio. Keep practicing and I'll see you next time.